Malaria, Italian word. Malaria means bad air. Human malaria is caused by protozoan parasite, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae. And comparing to other species, this vivax major species causing malaria but low death rate. Plasmodium falciparum having high death rate because it directly infected brain, so difficult to treat. Malaria mainly caused by bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Not all Anopheles mosquito causing malaria, only those infected from Plasmodium parasite. Then life cycle. Mosquito, the Plasmodium life cycle involving human and mosquitoes, especially female Anopheles mosquitoes. Mosquito bite human for their blood meals. Inject sporozoites with here it will inject sporozoites within 30 minutes. It will enter to the liver. This infected liver form scent. It will produce here. It will produce the scent. It will produce more number of merocytes. More and more number of merocytes, so liver cell will ruptured. Merocytes enter to the blood circulation. It infected RBC. Some trypocytes developed into scent, some is developed into gametocytes. This scent form finally ruptured that RBC. This stage is called as schizogeny. This one is the infective stage. In this stage, we will take blood, do peripheral blood smearing. Observe under microscope, we can examine schizogeny and trypocyte stage of RBC. Here symptoms, chills, fever, cold, sweating will occur in this stage. So it is a infective stage of schizogeny. Then some sporocytes enter to the gametocytes. It will produce gametocytes. Micro and macro. Micro gametes means female, macro gametes means male. Now one more mosquito will bite to human and take that RBC. Now here fertilization will occur. Then it will form zygote. Then it will enter to the transform to the sporogenesis. Finally it will release the sporocytes. Sporocytes burst. Merocytes again go the mouth of mosquito. Further it will affect human again. Some sporocytes directly enter to the brain, so it leads to the cerebral malaria. This one is life cycle. This one is nodes form. Mosquito bite. Then these sporocytes enter to liver within 30 minutes. After that, it will produce the merocytes. Merocytes enter to the blood and infected that RBC. Then some trypocytes developed into the scent. Then RBC will ruptured. This stage is called as schizogeny. Then some sporocytes enter to the gametocytes. Then it form microgametes and macrogametes. Then fertilization will occur. Then it will mature that oocytes. Then sporocytes finally burst. Again the merocytes again go to mouth of mosquitoes, further infect the human. This is a cyclic process is going on. Some synocate only enter the brain and affected brain particles, so leads to cerebral malaria, mainly caused by Plasmodium falciparum only affected brain particles. Then sign and symptoms: shivering, fever, cold, sweating. Peripheral, this whole symptoms name is called as peripheral parasm. Headache, nausea, vomiting, body pain, splenomegaly, it will affect the spleen. Then it will affect the hepatomegaly, liver enlargement. Then anemia finally leads to death because it's directly affected brain. Laboratory diagnosis, separate video is there. Then treatment, chloroquine, quinine, primacune. Preventive measure, full body clothing, cover mosquito net using spray in home.